We had some sun earlier today. Now in the last hour to hour and a half, clouds have begun to stream into the area. We'll be dealing with partly cloudy skies as we go through the overnight hours. Winds still gusting out of the west upwards of 40 miles per hour, and temperatures remain on the cool side, at least compared to normal. We should typically be at 64 degrees in Lincoln. We're at our high temperature of the day of 58. It's 57 degrees in Beatrice, 57 in Aurora and New York, as well as in Grand Island. Winds remaining out of the west, gusting at times 30 to 35 miles per hour. Now in the visible satellite imagery, you can see these clouds that have begun to stream into the area. Now, not everybody is seeing the cloud cover. Out towards Grand Island, you're probably seeing some clouds off to your north, but directly overhead, skies are still clear. And out towards York, you're starting to see some clearing starting to move back in. So we'll see clouds moving in and out as we go through the rest of the evening and through the overnight. Temperature-wise, it's going to get chilly once again. Like this morning, we dropped down to 28. I think we could drop down as low as 27 degrees at the Lincoln Airport, probably closer to 29 or 30 in the city. 24 degrees for low in Columbus, 26 in York, and down to 30 degrees in Hebron, Fairbury, and Beatrice. Winds tonight fairly light out of the north-northeast. Hey, wanted to let you know, coming up this Saturday in Lancaster County, we can use your help. We can always use more storm spotters. We saw the storms come through the other night. It'd be great to get more reports coming into the National Weather Service. So radar is fantastic, but it's not as good as a set of eyeballs. So this Saturday at 1 o'clock, it should last between 1 and 3. You can go to a storm spotter class that the National Weather Service meteorologist from Omaha will come down and will be teaching. It'll be at the Lincoln Amateur Radio Club meeting room at 4420 Northwest 41st Street. And again, it starts at 1 o'clock. I believe there's some registration just beforehand. But head on out there if you've got an interest in thunderstorms or tornadoes and want to learn more about what you're seeing up in the sky, and again, how you can pass along that information so we can then help pass along the information to you at home. Now, tomorrow morning, we'll see mostly sunny skies. You're seeing Stormcast trying to bring these clouds in. I think there's going to be more in the high cirrus cloud variety coming through the afternoon. So while it's turning our skies partly cloudy, I think we're still talking mostly sunny for tomorrow. Temperatures, though, will be getting back up into the 50s by afternoon. 56 in Lincoln, 56 in Beatrice, and 57 degrees for a high tomorrow in Hebron. Notice the winds. The thing that's missing, there's no G, so no gusts tomorrow. Northeast at 6 to 12 miles per hour sustained. Now, I want to show you this. Friday morning, you're seeing these white lines. This is giving an indication of the upper level winds and the direction they're moving. Notice how they're very flat. This is what we call a zonal pattern. That also means weather systems will move very quickly from west to east across the country. So going into Saturday morning, we're going to watch this little wave right here. You can see precipitation just off the coast of California near San Francisco. This will quickly move eastward over the Rockies and into the plains as we go into Saturday night and Sunday morning. This is going to bring with it a chance for some showers Sunday morning, maybe lingering into late morning. I think by afternoon we should be drying out, and we may even see some pops of the sun popping out by late afternoon. But this system will come through here and bring some showers to the area, so keep that in mind if you've got Easter egg hunts planned for Sunday morning. 57 degrees and sunny on Saturday, 57, and the chance for some showers Sunday morning. Cooler on Monday, but look at what goes on behind that. We start to have a pattern change. Temperatures start to warm up. Turns windy on Tuesday. Turns windy Friday, Saturday, and Sunday of next week into the following weekend. And temperatures climbing into the 80s. Maybe even some 90s across the area, not out of the question. And maybe a chance for some thunderstorms coming in for the second half of next weekend.